Oh, don't I love to do room tours for you guys. Welcome to Japan. We are staying at the Appa Hotel, and this is close to Tokyo. Really nice strip. Lots to do. You can see there's a shopping district over there. Clothing store across the street here. And I believe that this is a restaurant right over here. It is so peaceful here. It's so quiet and it's so clean. The air is just fresh. I mean, not dirty at all. It's just fresh. I don't know how to explain it. It is a restaurant. Pretty cool truck. Anyways, here's our room tour of Appa Hotel. Now, before we hit the room, I just kind of wanted to show you this lobby area here. When you first come in, this hotel is actually really nice. The check-in process is mostly electronic, but you have people there to help you through it because of the multi-language. You got a pop machine over here. I haven't actually used it yet because there is a 7-Eleven that's like 1 block away and it's a lot cheaper. You just have to understand the yen, that's it. But it's very inexpensive. 130 yen is roughly $1 in USD. But it's really nice in here. They hold your luggage for you. You got this big chandelier right here in this waiting area, which takes you straight to your elevators. I'm gonna be on floor number 9, so let's go ahead and do a room tour. We made it, we're in Japan. And I lost my voice after that 14-hour ride to get here. So please bear with me as we do this room tour of 907. That's the card. You guys, this is gonna be probably one of the quickest room tours I've ever done because this is super small. Now, when you first come in, it's gonna be lights off here. The reason is because you have to prove that this is your place. Now, the thing about this place is it does not have light switches. This is what it has. So you take your room card, you insert it, and boom, that's your light switch. That is kind of neat, isn't it? You turn around and this is your actual room here. You got this little area here to get things done. The TV's on a sensor so you can see the TV turned on by itself. You turn over here and here's the bed. I will tell you the backdrop here is actually really nice. I mean, one of the best things is this here. All different power sources here so that way you can charge. You got something over here. Oh, it's a light. Okay. All right. So we do have access to that light right there. But there are some things that I'm going to have to learn. The bed, not comfortable at all, guys. Let's go back to this entertainment center. Hey, what's up? Welcome to Japan. Over here, they give us some free stickers. What is this? A deodorizing mist? Okay. Alright. More plugs. Lots of paperwork over here. And books. Probably different things. This is cool right here, guys. Look at that. Yummy. Only $6,800. Nah, I have to learn the money here, but I do have an app that'll help me. Ooh, yes! Totally going home with me. Woo, look at all that. Nice little pin there from Appa. Some things you can use here. Oh, hey, I just saw that. There's a water over here. I wonder if that's for free, if they're gonna charge me for it. My luck, they'd probably charge me, so I'm gonna call it in and just double check, because I am thirsty. TV's not too bad. It's actually angled really good with the bed over here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look outside. This is actually really neat, because at night, I think it'll be really neat to just look out the window. Check this out. There's a guy actually working over here. Can you see him? Wow, look at it out there. I am really happy with my view. I think what I'll do is sleep with the window open for sure. Wow, what do you think? Okay guys, let's go check out this bathroom. This bathroom might make you laugh. Wait, there's something up here too. Don't know what that is. Okay, so here's the bathroom, guys. It is super small, like porta potty going on here. But hey, look at that little garbage can. Wow. Wow, let's go in here together. Oh, they do give you a lot of stuff you can use, that's for sure. Here's your towel up here. Oh yeah, custom towel for the resort. Got your hand soap over here. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh, what is this? 40 miles an hour? Is that like how fast the water comes out? Drinkable. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, so it must be some kind of a filter. What is this, guys? Okay, I have no idea how this is gonna work. Okay, wait. Oh, shoot. Okay, so it looks like that turns it on. Man, this tub, guys, is so small. Look at this, here's my hand. If somebody takes a bath in there, yeah, that's gonna be like a little baby bathtub. Okay, and then we got these. Now that I'm gonna use right now. After this long trip, I think I need to, but this bathroom is super small. That's why it's for one person. This is actually a one person. They don't let two people in here. That's the one thing. Even though there's a bed that can fit two people, they won't let two people in here. So my friend actually had to get her own room, and I got my own room, which is actually a little weird, but hey, it is what it is. Other than that, guys, that's really all it is. Yeah, thank you for taking this tour with me. I hope you like this little room, but yeah, here we are, Japan, 2025. I'm excited. Just got here. I'm going to take a quick shower, and then I'm going to head out to the shopping district and see what's going on. Other than that, have yourself a great day. Arigatou gozaimasu. Look at that.
You have to eat it here.
You know what's really cool about Tokyo is they have things that you wouldn't even imagine here. Have you ever seen a pizza vending machine? Yes. And the thing is, those pizzas actually look extremely good. And the food has arrived. Don't mind if I do.
It's really good this thing. Did I lose an onion?
Oh, I hope not, because I love onions.
Those are my onions. You got your own onions. No,
Excuse me?
Did I
We
lose
share
them?
in this place.
You got your own onions over there.